Day in this important event. May you bestow your guidance and blessings on this event so that we can enjoy and appreciate its significance in our lives. Bless everyone present here today, that each one of us may be able to share what he or she have for your glory and honor. Grant good health and safety to our loved ones left at home, and peace and goodwill to all men. May the various activities related to this event be a success through your intervention. We ask all of these in your name. Amen.
Mga kababayan, ang pambansang awit ng Pilipinas.
Please be seated.
Opening prayer.
Magandang hapon, Legazpi City, Albay. Good afternoon, Ayala Malls, Legazpi. This is the grand finals of the Karaoke Kids Singing Contest. And this afternoon, we're going to have 10 grand finalists. And who among them will be the first ever grand champion of the Karaoke Kids Singing Contest? Ayala Malls, Legazpi, excited na ba kayong lahat? Wala akong marinig.
Wala rin ako. Oh, ito, may sound na. Okay. Wala kaming naririnig, ha? Parang hindi excited yung Ayala Malls, Legazpi again. Ayala Malls, Legazpi! Excited na ba kayong lahat? Konti lang talaga. Feeling ko hindi pa excited, Sugar. Excited na ba kayong lahat?
Iyon! Isang malakas sa palakpakan naman dyan, everybody! Eto, para mas excite tayong lahat to give excitement to everybody, ladies and gentlemen, for our opening dance production, courtesy of G-Styles Dance Company. Here we go. Let's give it up for the G-Styles Kids Class. And of course, we're excited for the performance ng ating mga chikitings this afternoon. Hindi lang kantahan, pati sayawan. We have it all for you, right here, right now, at Ayala Malls, Legazpi for the grand opening of Baby, Mama, and Family Fair. So, once again, as we all start up, here we go. Let's give it up for the G-Styles Kids Class.
Spin my head right round when you go down, down.
You spin my head.
All right, here we go. Sabayan natin sila, the G-Styles Kids Class.
You spin my head right round when you go down, down.
You spin my head right round when you go down,
You spin my head right round when you go down, down. down when we drop the joint.
Maybe that you will always be so shh. You rub and you dirt on everyone's hurt. You know how to be. ¿Dónde están tus modales que no aprendiste a saludar? Parece que hoy me gustas un poco más. Hola, ¿cómo tal? Son esta dicha, you said we should go and get along. No, if you wanna turn it on, go get a light bulb, después hablamos. If you wanna turn it on, go get a lighter, después hablamos. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Si te doy un beso y estás a mis pies. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. La 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 la.
It's the thought of being when your heart stirs like a drum, beating louder with nowhere to guard it. When it all seems like it's wrong, sing along to Elton John, to that feeling we're just getting started. When the lights get colder and the rhythm's got you falling behind, just dream about that moment when you look yourself right in the eye.
So there you go, ladies and gentlemen, what a very cute performance from the G-Styles Kids class. And now, ladies and gentlemen, we give you our hosts for this afternoon. Let's give it up for the morning guy of OKFM, ang Palaboy, the good boy. Let's give it up for Nonoy Palaboy.
Yes, thank you so much. Pupunta pa ba tayo sa taas? Di na lang, ano? Dito na lang? Okay. Yes. Maraming salamat. Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Good afternoon, Ayala Malls. Sabi nga ni Andrew E., penge naman ang ingay! Wala, hindi penge ng ingay! Konti lang yung ingay nila. But anyway, I would like to introduce to you my co-host for this afternoon, the station manager of 97.1 OKFM, ang DJ Mahamis na kontra diabetes, sugar, asukar.
Mag-ingay naman kayo dyan! Ang hindi mag-ingay, walang asukal. Para mamimigay ng asukal si Sugar doon. Anyways, Nonoy Palaboy, magandang hapon sa'yo. And talagang We are making noise this afternoon. Talagang super exciting ng ingay here at Ayala Malls Legazpi for the grand finals of Karaoke's Singing Contest. Okay ha? Nagmerienda na po ba lahat?
Ililibre daw ni Sugar.
Inilibre ka ng Unilaw.
Okay. But anyway, kanina nakita ko yung mga batang maliliit na ang gagaling sumayaw.
Of course. That's courtesy of G-Styles
Yes.
Dance Co. So maraming salamat. Palapakan naman natin ng G-Styles.
Yes!
Yun.
Palakpakan natin.
And of course, kasama din natin si Ate Thea ng ACI family. Our Ate Thea is Guerra Magallanes. Ako, maraming salamat. Andito yung mga proud lolo and lola natin. Hi! There you go, the Magallanes family. Naku, mamaya, babalik si Ate Thea, magpapasuba din siya.
Wow! Anong oras daw?
Mamaya, during siguro, before we announce the winner,
Alright.
Nonoy Palaboy. Alright, so again, we'd like to welcome everybody. Ito po naman ang ating third year of Baby Mama and Family Fair. Medyo naantala lang tayo ng konti because of the pandemic. So right now, natutuwa kami kasi binabalik na po natin ang ating Baby Mama and Family Fair.
After siguro mga 3 taon, 2 or 3 years.
Parang gano'n.
Yun.
Okay. So ngayon talagang ang init ng pag-welcome ulit sa atin for this event. So, Nonoy Palaboy, as we move on, it's time now to give them the guidelines and criteria for judging natin. Ano nga ba yung ating guidelines for this singing contest? It's the Karaoke Singing Contest.
And paano nga ba natin nakuha itong 10 finalists natin for this afternoon?
Okay.
Ito. So, naiwan ko yung aking guidelines. Alright? So, ladies and gentlemen, ito yung guidelines natin for the karaoke singing contest. This singing contest is open to all singers, male or female, ages 12 or 8 to 12 years old who are bona fide fans and supporters. Participants are encouraged to promote the competition through their social media accounts. So kung makikita natin, nag-post sila sa kanilang mga social media accounts.
Nako. Actually, itong mga finalists natin, mga TikTokers na to, Nonoy
Yes.
Palaboy. Maliban sa singer na, TikTokers pa.
Pokeris pa.
Then the 10 qualified kids will be taken for the finals on August 18. That's today. 4 p.m. onwards at Ayala Malls Legazpi. And winners shall receive the following prizes.
Eto na, 7 consolation prizes. Alright, so, ibig sabihin, kapag napasok ka sa finals, meron ka ng 500 pesos.
And of course, the second runner-up, Nonoy Palaboy, mag-uuwi ng 5,000 pesos.
What? And first runner-up will be receiving 7,000 pesos.
Okay, ginagaya lang ito. And of course, grand champion will take home 10,000 pesos in gold cash.
Sabi sa TikTok, what? 10,000 pesos, okay? Using the special effects on LED.
So yun na. That's our guidelines for the singing contest po natin. And here we go with our, what do you call this one? Criteria for judging. For the Karaoke Singing Contest, criteria for judging.
Sugar.
Voice quality.
50%.
That includes tonality, appropriateness to genre, and technique.
Style and performance, 30%. Rendition, qualities, discipline, timing, and precision, and dynamics.
And of course, overall appeal. Naku, parang Nonoy Palaboy lang.
Ma-appeal?
Saksakan ng appeal.
Dakul naka-appeal.
20% stage appeal, audience impact, and costume.
Ito na.
Alright.
Ito na yung palagi pinagsasabayan for a total of 100%.
O, di ba? Bagong-bago yun, ha?
Sabay na
Sabay na sabay, ha? Simultaneous sa simultaneous. Nako.
Okay. So, eto na, binasa na natin yung guidelines as well, yung mga mechanics. So, tanungin natin yung ating mga ka-okay dito sa Ayala Malls Legazpi. Mga ka-okay, are you ready? Wala pa? Uwi muna tayo?
Strolling muna tayo, Nonoy Palawi.
Pero may
Parang
nakita ko
hindi pa
maganda-
ready.
May maganda akong nakita sapatos dun sa...
Mag-window shopping muna kami.
So I guess ready na yung mga contestants natin or yung ating mga finalists for the OKFM Karaoke Singing Contest. So again, tanongin natin, hingan natin ng ingay yung Ayala. Ayala again! Pingin ng ingay! Ayaw talaga.
Gusto ko! Yun, yung pala.
Yung pala yung gusto.
Yung pala yung gusto.
Oo.
Alright. So ngayon, we've mentioned the criteria for judging. Pakilala naman natin, Nonoy Palaboy, of course, our set of judges for this competition.
Alright, judge number 1. Nakalagay dito, Sugar, cute
IT staff.
ng 97.1 OKFM Legazpi.
Alright.
Ha?
Ay hindi, wala akong ano dyan. Wala akong comment sa cute.
Cute.
Totoo naman talaga eh.
Okay. 2017 Pamaypay Festival Champion Battle of the Band.
Ako, feeling ko brown out nito nung time na to. Kasi Pamaypay Festival. Okay.
And of course, lead vocalist of Jennifer is Missing Band, radio DJ of OKFM, also known as the Sweet Lover, none other than Isko Driver, Mr. Roy Balingasa.
Yun, palapakin naman si Isko Driver. Isko Driver! Ito naman, our next judge, the quarter finalist of Tawag ng Tanghalan, Season 5, the voice of Ibalong, Grand Champion, Ibalong Battle of the Bands 2019 Grand Champion, AKB Karantahan Urugmahan 2019 First Runner-Up. And she's taking a Bachelor of Physical Education at Bicol University. Ladies and gentlemen, here she is, Mariel Rose Tuyudo Reyes. Hi, Miss Mariel! Kala ko kung sinong K-pop na nasa harapan ko eh.
Akala ko Koreana.
Oo, kala ko member ng Blackpink.
And ladies and gentlemen, our third judge for this afternoon, Medical Officer of Legazpi City Health Department, currently assigned at Legazpi City COVID-19 Facility and Pinas Lakas Vaccination Team. Pilipinas Got Talent Contender Regional Finalist 2011. Ladies and gentlemen, palakpakan po natin Dr. Michael Galan.
Yun, malapakan natin our singing doctor, si Dr. Michael Galan. Wow! Pero alam mo Nonoy Palaboy, since it's a singing competition, baka sabihin nila, basta-basta lang yung mga judges natin. Diba?
Sample.
Gusto namin gusto nyo ba ng konting sample lang sa mga judges natin? Sample? Sinong uunahin natin? Ladies first?
Ladies first. Ladies
tayo.
first.
Sige.
Okay.
Okay, ha?
Sige.
So eto, ladies first. Gusto niyo ng sample?
Sample!
Okay,
Sample!
let's hear it from Judge Miss Mariel. Here she is. Palabakan naman natin si Miss Mariel. Sample, Miss Mariel.
Isang himalang kasalanan bang humingi ako sa langit ng isang himala, isang himala. Tapos na.
Yes, ladies and gentlemen,
Miss Mariel, walang himala.
magic meron!
Magic meron! Eto naman, pakinggan natin ang ating singing doctor. Medyo na mamaoso si Doc ngayon. Pero, DOH family, gusto natin, proud tayo dito for Pinalakas Vaccination Team. Eto, pakinggan natin kung may ibubuga ba ang ating singing doctor. Let's hear it for Dr. Mike Galan!
Wait lang. Parang napahamak yan. Sa mag-judge. Sige po. Matagal na akong hindi nakakakanta. So, pagsagaan po natin. Para po sa inyong lahat. Di ko alam kakanta. Ito na lang, para makarelate, hindi lang yung mga kids, no, pati yung mga elders, mga elderlies na nandito. Be my lady, come to me and take my hand and be my lady. Truly I must let you know that I'm in love with you. All I want is you, how I need you. So please be my lady. Okay na yan.
Ladies and gentlemen, our singing Dr. Doc Mike Galan. Palapakan natin si Doc Mike!
Ang lamig ng boses ni Doc
Naku,
Mike.
Martin Rivera, Concert King. Siya naman,
Be my lady.
Concert King Doctor. Doc Mike, maraming salamat with your presence this afternoon. We're truly blessed to have you for today. Actually, siya yung highly requested natin, and Miss Mariel eh.
Yes.
Yung ikatlong judge, wala lang talaga tayong choice eh.
Wala na nakuha.
Parang gano'n, wala tayong, de, joke lang. Of course, our very own.
Yes. Sariling atin. Sariling atin. Isko driver.
Yeah. Or something from Spanish Girl. Paos din ako eh. Kaya mababa lang. Hawakan mo ang aking kamay at tayong dalawa'y maghasik ng kaligayahan. Bitawan mong unang salita, ako ay handa nang umapak sa lupa. Nais ko lang humimbing sa saliw ng iyong tinig, parang isang panaginip ang muling mapagbigyan. Tayo'y muling magkasama, ang dati ay balewala.
Okay na po, overtime na po tayo. Overtime. Okay na po yun, sir. Okay na po yun. Hinahabol po natin yung oras ng Ayala. Okay na po, Scott Driver. Palapakan natin ni Scott Driver. Nakakatuwa naman. O, di ba? Kung magaling yung mga judges natin, yung mga host naman. Gusto niyo marinig si Donoy Palaboy?
Diretso na po tayo sa finalist number 1.
Ako, kakanta ako.
Sige,
Gusto niyo?
sige.
Gusto niyo sample? Okay, 3, 2, 1. Happy birthday to you. Joke lang. Okay, last na yun, Donoy Palaboy.
Okay pa naman sana yung yung
Okay, may panahon.
sa labas.
But anyways, maraming salamat to our judges. Good luck to all of you. May the power be with you since they have the best seat for today's competition. Pero sila yung pinaka busy
Yes.
for our event, ladies and gentlemen. So,
Sasakit
good luck.
yung ulo ninyong tatlo ngayong gahapon na to. Sige.
All right, so ladies and gentlemen, to start off with our karaoke singing competition, let's call on our contestant number 1, representing Rawis, Legazpi City.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up for Jen Ashley Barnuevo.
appeared just like a dream to me, just like the kaleidoscope's color that cover me. All I need, every bit that I have read. Don't you know you're beautiful? I've loved the shore and I can find my way home anymore. That's the night I look at you. I look at you. Appeared just like a dream to me.
Thank you so much, Jan Ashley Barnuevo. Jan Ashley, pwede stay ka sa stage ng konti lang. Okay? Alright. Jan Ashley, how old are you?
11 years old po.
11 years old. Okay, sige. Pwede pala umakyat. Okay, sige. 11 years. Anong title ng song na kinanta ni Jan Ashley?
When I look at you po.
When I look. Ano kikita mo?
Mga
When you
tao
look
po.
at me, ano nakita mo? Okay. So, ilang taong ka nang kumakanta, Jan Ashley?
3 years old po.
Since 3 years old,
Apo.
kumakanta ka na. Ano yung first song na iyong na-memorize?
Ano po, yung mahal ko, mahal.
Ano yun?
Mahal ko, ang mahal ako.
Mahal ko o mahal ako?
Po, yan po lahat.
May hugot si Jan Ashley. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, palakpakan natin Jan Ashley Barnuevo from Rawis, Legazpi City. Thank you so much, Jan Ashley. Salamat. And now, tawagin naman natin ang ating second finalist for this afternoon. All the way from Sagmin, Legazpi City. Palakpakan po natin, Elijah Liz Engay. Elijah? Family fair na ba ito ng OKFM? Punta lamang po dito.
Pang ilang year na?
Pang ilan? 5, 4, 3, 2,
Third.
Third. Hinga ka malalim, nanay.
Mama,
Hinga.
family ko.
Inhale. Exhale. O, pang ilan po, nay?
Pang third po.
Third. Okay. Pangatlo. Okay. Ano po pangalan nyo, ma'am?
From ACI family from Daraga.
From Daraga.
ACI family.
family.
Naku, Mami, maraming salamat. And our ACI family kasama natin dito. Mag-ingay naman dyan, ACI family! Woohoo! Alright. Pati yung ano natin, pa si Ate Tricia, ACI pala to. Alright.
Okay. Mamaya naman sa second brown out.
Ano lang kami, medyo nag-international number lang kami ni Nonoy Palaboy.
Okay. Sige. Congratulations, Nanay. All the way from Daraga, Albay. Alright?
Ate Remelit.
Taisan.
Taga-Anislag.
Ay, ano siya?
Taga-Anislag. Wow, maraming salamat all the way
Sayang.
from Anislag. Ito Remelit. Sana nakikinig ka ng OKFM Baka ibang pangalan yung magbigay nito. Okay, magbigay na daw ng 3 DJs ng OKFM.
Kahit po yung kompleto na lahat.
Sige, yung 6.
Ikaw po si Sugar Asukar. Siya po si Nonoy Palaboy. Si Ate DJ Toya. Si Kuya Don Emilionario. And si Kuya Isko Driver.
Wow! Nang dahil dyan, kompleto, may kasamang kape. Yung tasa ni ate. Ate Remelit, maraming salamat po from Anislag. Gusto ko,
Okay ka!
yun! Di ba? Love na love tayo ng mga taga-Anislag talaga. O, ito, seryoso na to, So once again, from Sagmin, Legazpi City for the 3rd time, here she is, Elijah Liz Engay. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, our contestant number 2 from Sagmin, Legazpi City, from the movie The Greatest Showman. Maraming salamat, Elijah Lees Engay, and you're watching the grand finals of the Karaokids Singing Contest 2022. And now, after 2 girls, eto naman, we go to our contestant number 3. Lalaki naman to. So, it's time to hear ang ating grand finalist. Let's call on Elmer James Liabres. Contestant number 3, Elmer James Liabres.
Cover speech. Bakit hindi mo madamdaman? Ikaw sa akin ay mahalaga. Ako sa'yo'y kaibigan lamang. Paano nga ba't di ko matanggap? At ako pa maibigin pa ang dinadasal, makikiusap na lang. Aking ka na lang, aking ka na lang. Ang dinadasal sa araw-araw. Aking ka na lang, aking ka na lang. At maghihintay hanggang aking ka na mag-ibig. At sa panaginip lamang nahahagat ka, nayayakap ka. At ako pa maibigin pa ang dinadasal, makikiusap na lang. Aking ka na lang, aking ka na lang. Ang dinadasal sa araw-araw.
Thank you so much. Palapakan natin, ladies and gentlemen. Albert James Liabres, 11 years old. Akin ka na lang. Alright? So here we go. Tawagin naman natin our fourth finalist for this afternoon, Joanna Lindsay Nieto, all the way from Rawis, Legazpi City, 11 years old.
Go.
Nangingot, tabi. I'm so glad you made time to see me. How's life? Tell me how's your family? I haven't seen them in a while. You've been good, busier than ever. Your small talk, work and the weather. Your guard is up, and I know why. Because the last time you saw me, still burning in the back of your mind. You gave me roses, and I left them there to die. So this is me swallowing my pride, standing in front of you, saying I'm sorry for that night. And I'll go back to December all the time. It turns out freedom ain't nothing but missing you. Wish that I realized what I had when you were mine. I'll go back to December, turn around and make it all right. I'll go back to December all the time. These days I hadn't been sleeping, staying up, playing back myself, leaving. And your birthday passed and I didn't call. And I think about summer, all the beautiful time. Oh, what you loving on the passenger side. Realize I love you in the fall. And then the cold game, the dark days when fear crept into my mind. You gave me all your love, and all I gave you was goodbye. So this is me swallowing my pride, standing in front of you, saying I'm sorry for that night. And I'll go back to December all the time. It turns out freedom ain't nothing but missing you. Wish that I realized what I had when you were mine. I'll go back to December, turn around and change it all mine. I'll go back to December all the time. I miss your tan skin, your sweet smile, so good to me, so right. And how you held me in your arms that September night, the first time you ever saw me cry. Maybe this is wishful thinking, probably So if the chain is on your door, I understand. So this is me swallowing my pride, standing in front of you, saying I'm sorry for that night. And I'll go back to December. It turns out freedom ain't nothing but missing you. Wish that I realized what I hope when you were mine. I'll go back to December, turn around and make it all right. I'll go back to December, turn around and change it all right. I'll go back to December all the time. All the time. Goodbye.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, our singing chikiting number 4. Of course, ang Taylor Swift ng Rawis, Legazpi City, 11-year-old Johanna Lindsay Nielo. Maraming salamat, Johanna Lindsay Nielo. And you're watching the grand finals of the Karaokids Singing Contest. Hatid po sa atin ng 97.1 OKFM. Gusto ko, okay ka. Presented to you by the Department of Health, Region 5, Insular Life, and Unilab. And we move on with our grand finalist, number 5, representing the 3rd District of Albay, 11-year-old from Pulangi, Albay. Let's give it up for Jeline Pers Mengonyo.
And now I'm all alone again, nowhere to turn, no one to go to. Without a home, without a friend, without a face to say hello to. But now the night is near, and I can make believe he's here. Sometimes I walk alone at night when everybody else is sleeping. I think of him and then I'm happy with the company I'm keeping. The city goes to bed, and I can live inside my head. On my own, pretending he's beside me. All alone, I walk with him till morning. Without him, I feel his arms around me. And when I lose my way, I close my eyes, and he has found me. In the rain, the pavement shines like silver. All the lights are misty in the river. In the darkness, the trees are full of starlight, and all I see is him and me forever and forever. And I know it's only in my mind that I'm talking to myself and not to him. And although I know that he's blind, still I say there's a way for us Without him, the world around me changes. The trees are buried everywhere, the streets are full of strangers. I love him, but every day I'm learning. All my life, I've only been pretending. Without me, his world will go on turning. A world is full of happiness that I have never known. I love him. I love him. I love him, but only on my own.
There you go, ladies and gentlemen, ang ating singing chikiting from Pulangi, Albay, 11 years old, Jeline Pers Mingorio. Alright! So yan po naman ang ating first 5 grand finalists natin. And makikita naman natin, most of them, Nonoy Palaboy, talagang pang Disney Channel yung mga song entries natin
Yes.
for
Ano
this
ba tawag doon?
afternoon.
Broadway ba yung tawag doon? Di kasi ako masyado sa Broadway ba yung tawag doon?
Ata siguro, hindi na ako familiar. Okay.
Nagsama tayong dalawa.
Sama tayong dalawa.
Anyway, kamustahin naman natin yung mga judges natin, Sugar? Parang
Alright.
feeling ko naguguluhan. Or may napipisil na ba sila?
Sige,
Tingnan
ano natin? Kunan natin ng konting ano lang,
Oo.
recap.
Yes.
At of course, anong masasabi natin na from the judges' perspective nung first 5 contestant natin. Si Doc Mike Galan, the singing doctor. Let's give him the microphone, Nonoy. Doc Mike, so far, anong masasabi mo sa ating mga singing kids?
Mas mahirap palang mag-judge pag mga kids, no? Ito yung first time kong mag-judge sa isang singing contest ng mga bata. And medyo mas mahirap siya kumpara sa adults, no? So far, so good. Yes po, may mga napipisil na rin ako dun sa lima. Actually, ang ginagawa ko, tinatry kong i-rank sila para sa akin, yun yung mas, para sa akin, mas appropriate way of judging them, no? Overall performance nila. So, good luck sa mga, and God bless dun sa mga susunod pa. And dun sa mga nauna na, good job. Good job, guys. Kids, I mean. Okay.
Maraming salamat, Doc Mike, for that very enticing, tawag nito. So far, opinion niya regarding our grand finalists this afternoon. Kausapin naman natin the beautiful Miss Mariel.
Ay, ako.
Kumusta, Miss Mariel?
Okay naman po. Ayan sa mga contestants sa ating mga chikiting, sobrang nostalgic kasi naalala ko yung nung maliit pa ako. Diyos ko, lumaki na ako konti lang. Pero sobrang galing nila kasi syempre, bata pa sila, may mga tinatago na pala silang mga talents, mga ganun ba. Tapos napaka-supportive yung mga parents, lahat ng mga andito, mga titas, mga relatives and families. Ayan, so far so good naman, chikitings, and good luck sa inyong lahat. Sobrang gagaling nyo.
Curious lang ako kasi si Miss Mariel naging quarter finalist ng sa Showtime Tawag ng Tangalan. Ikaw, kumusta naman yung feeling mo habang binibigyan ka ng comment ng mga hurado sa It's Showtime? Ano ba yung feeling na andun, Miss Mariel?
Naka-pressured, kuya, kasi parang hindi mo alam kung anong pwedeng mangyari doon sa during the competition. Tapos kung ano yung kakalabasan, kung anong results. Tapos yung mga comments and suggestions ng mga judges doon ni na Sir Ogie, natin Ma'am Angeline, ina-apply ko din naman yon. Tapos yun.
Wow, si Ogie Alcacid, di ba?
Yes,
And Angeline Jones.
Hindi.
Angeline Quinto. Angeline Quinto pala. Anyways, maraming salamat,
Thank you
Miss
so much
Mariel.
po.
pakinggan naman natin si Jurado number 3, Isko Driver.
Yes, I agree kay Doc, na napakahirap talaga mag-judge ng singing contest ng kids compared to adult singing contest, di ba? Napakahirap din talaga. And siguro magbabase na lang ako sa kanilang singing techniques, yung dynamics nila, yung precision, yung timing, doon na lang siguro ako babase. And may napipisil na rin ako na nakukuha nila yung mga singing techniques na yon. Ayan.
Nako, maraming salamat Isko Driver for that. Lahat.
Aray ko, pinisil, pati ako pinisil.
Actually, ang daming alam niya na technique ni Isko Driver.
Kakibunjin technique.
Magaling sa mga technique.
Pinagbabawal na technique. Okay. Thank you so much, Isko Driver. Alright.
And this time, pasalamatan naman natin, Nonoy Palaboy, ang ating mga sponsors. Alright, here we go. For the Karaoke Singing Competition. Let's watch this. Alright, maraming salamat for supporting the first ever Karaoke Grand Final Singing Contest. Of course, in part of the third year of Baby, Mama, and Family Fair live here at Ayala Malls, Legazpi. And we're also live on Facebook. Okay, follow lang po tayo over the official fan page of 97.1 OKFM and the official fan page of DCGB News Online. I-follow nyo kami dun and the rest ng ating mga Facebook pages. And for more details then, DOH 5 as well as Ayala Malls Legazpi para kaway-kaway tayo dyan mga judges. Hi! Wow! Di na ko yung sarili kong gwapo din ako sa camera. Uy! May maligno! Alright, so once again, maraming salamat to our sponsors and of course, huwag niyo po kalilimutan tomorrow. Alright, here we go. Of course, salamat Department of Health Region 5. We're located for the booth number 1 at booth number 12. We have the Patisserie Albay. All right, thanks a lot for joining the Baby, Mama, and Family Fair. Of course, MGVHM Events Management Services for your party needs. Bisitahin niyo po sila sa booth number 10. Caddy & Co. Theme Perfume Bar for souvenirs. Booth number 16, ako tamang-tama for your children's party. Booth number 6, Baby Co. Of course, we have Baby Co. diapers, as well as baby wipes and Frida napkins. Puri Hosanna Travel and Tours at our booth number 20. Nako, tamang-tama. It's the new normal. UPS by Sunisma. Malapit na sa atin dito. Booth number 4 with our brand new clothes. Unilab booth is at booth number 3 with our products like Nutrilin, Paracetamol, Bigestic for kids, and Celine. And at booth number 5, we have our motor trade with our latest motorcycles available right now. And of course, huwag niyo kalilimutan, bukas, the launching of Pinas Lakas COVID-19 vaccination regional launch. And of course, in the afternoon, 1 p.m. sa Rabay na pagpapasuso, sama-samang itaguyod tamang kaalaman at kalinga. Okay, for the breastfeeding Baby Ann, booth number 8. For more of our baby products as well, bisitahin nyo kami sa booth number 8. Booth number 11, Rhythm Home Studio. Maraming salamat, Miss Daisy Butin. And of course, our friends at Rhythm Home. Insular Life, may insurance ka na ba? Please visit us at booth number 13 and 17 and we'll tell you more about Insular Life. Alright, so nagpapatuloy po ang ating grand finals. As you could see, the activities that we have for the coming days. And on the third day, magkakaroon din tayo ng fashion twinning show. And this time, as we move along with our second batch of our grand finalists, our contestant number 6, 8 years old from Ligao City. Let's give it up for Aliyah Grace Ranyosa Afsan. Once again, welcome to the second part of the competition with our contestant number 6 from Ligao City, Philippines, 8 years old, Aliyah Grace Ranyosa Apsan.
To hold my breath, let it stay this way. Can't let this moment end. You set off a dream in me, getting louder. Can hear it echoing. Take my hand, share this with me. 'Cause darling, without you, all the shine of 1,000 spotlights, all the stars we steal from the night sky will never be enough. Never be enough. Something goes still too little. These hands could hold the world, but it'll never be enough. Never be enough for me. Never, never,
Yes! Thank you so much, Aliyah Grace Ranyosa Apsan, all the way from Ligao City. Alright? Tulungan natin si Aliyah, slowly. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, that was Aliyah Grace Ranyosa Apsan from Ligao City. So tawagin naman natin ang ating 7 finalists for this afternoon. An 11-year-old boy, yes, all the way from Rawis, Legazpi City. Palakpakan natin, Xavier Matthew Blanco.
Chikiting from Rawis, Legazpi City, 11 years old, Xavier Matthew Blanco. Nako, maraming salamat, Xavier Matthew Blanco, our 7th grand finalist for the first ever Karaokids Singing Contest. Ngayon naman, dumako naman tayo with our representative all the way from the 1st District of Albay, representing Tiwi Albay. Here he is, 8 years old, Prince Kirby Lau.
Cover speech.
Ngayon ay alaala sa
Ladies and gentlemen, our grand finalist, number 8 years old from Tiwi, Albay. Uy, malapit ang fiesta. Maraming salamat, Prince Kirby Lau. All right, so we're down with 2 grand finalists para sa ating karaoke singing contest. And of course, once again, huwag niyo pong kalilimutan, samahan niyo po kami tomorrow for the grand launching ng Pinas Lakas. Ladies and gents, at around 11 in the morning, kasama po natin Department of Health. And right now, another representative from Tiwi Albay, our grand finalist, number 9, 11 years old. Here she is. Let's give it up for Shine Kimberly Lau.
Hindi mahanap sa lupa ang pag-asa. Makikiusap na lang. Pangarap ko'y makita kang naglalaro sa buwan. Inalay mo sa akin ang gabing walang hangganan. Hindi mahanap sa lupa ang pag-asa. Makikiusap na lang. Himala, kasalanan mang
gentlemen, Shine Kimberly Lau, all the way from Tiwi Albay. Walang himala, DJ Toya. Anyway, tawagin naman natin our last but not the least finalist for this afternoon for the karaoke singing contest. 8-year-old baby girl all the way from Kamalik Albay. Ladies and gentlemen, palakpakan natin, Jinri Monique Naga. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, that was our 10 grand finalists for the 97.1 Oki FM Karaoke Singing Contest. Nawala. Okay, sige.
Last but not the least, yung from
Yes.
Kamalig Albay. Tamang-tama yung ano ha. Tamang-tama yung song niya, No Si Balasi. Wag mong pansinin
Ang mga marites.
ang mga marites. Sinong coach ni ni Ate Jinri? Feeling ko yung nag-coach sa kanya allergic sa marites. Alright. Si Mami! But I'd like to say hello para to may inaanak, Kalia. Hi, Ate Kalia. There you go. Isa sa mga hindi nabibigyan ng regalo ng Ninong Sugar Azúcar.
Ilang taon na utang mo?
Mga 1 year pa lang.
1 year pa lang. Okay.
Anyways, hello there, inaanak. Salamat for joining us and Mommy and Daddy as well. Nako, we're seeing a lot of mommies and daddies ngayong hapon ito. Maraming salamat. Anong masasabi mo, Nonoy Palaboy, sa ating 10 grand finalists?
Speechless ako.
Ayun.
Napaka-safe.
Napaka-safe, speechless.
Speechless ako. But
Wala
anyway,
masabi, no?
eto lang, makikita natin napakaraming mga talented na mga kids, especially here at Bicol, no, dito sa Legazpi, Albay. So, why not, i-train natin sila or sa mga magulang, di ba?
Yes.
Sa mga mommy and sa mga daddy, tingnan natin kung paano or ano ba yung mga talents ng mga anak natin. Why not na i-develop natin sila, di ba?
That is correct. At the same time, Nonoy Palaboy, for 2 years na, for 3 years na naantala tayo sa mga ganitong contest. At I think it's high time naman na magkaroon tayo ng avenue na ilabas ng mga kids ang kanyang
Yes.
talents. That is why ang OKFM kasama po ang DCGB, we're creating platforms
Yep.
para sa mga bata na ilabas ang kanilang talents. Para at least hindi lang sa mga tita nila, kay mommy, daddy kumakanta. It's high time, baka malay natin, there could be the next singing champion
Yes.
sa Pilipinas all the way from Legazpi City, Albay. Di ba?
Hindi lang sa TikTok, sa Facebook. Diba? Kasi iba pa rin kapag nagpe-perform ka sa harap ng maraming tao.
That is correct.
Diba?
Okay. And kung maalala ninyo ha, yung mga titos-titas natin dito, kami sa PBN, dati nung panahon, sa DCGV, talagang may pasinging contest tayo nung panahon, di ba?
O bata pa ako na nakikinig na ako nun.
Parang hindi pa tayo pinapanganak nung panahon, talagang
Oo.
tapos nagkaroon tayo ng Golden Boys,
Yes.
ladies and gents. And ngayon nakakatuwa na para sa mga chikiting naman tong singing contest natin, we're giving them the venue na ipakita ang kanilang talent in singing. Pati na rin sa dancing, o,
Yun.
di ba? Tapos yung mga natin, contest talagang projected na projected. Alright.
May sumasayo habang kumakanta.
And of course, would like to congratulate din Nonoy Palaboy. Tama ka, may sumasayaw, may kumakanta. Would like to congratulate lahat ng mga parents
Yes.
nito mga batang to.
Yeah, so, kung pwede nga sana, lahat na lang panalunin natin, ano? At syempre, para sa mga mommy and daddy nila, palakpakan po natin lahat yung mga mommies and daddies na mga contestant natin or finalist natin ngayong hapon na to. So para dun pa lang, panalo na sila.
Alright. So, keep it up, mga mommies and daddies. Huwag po kayo magsasawang i-guide ang inyong mga anak and of course, sa kanilang talents as well. Ngayon naman, Nonoy Palaboy, before we give the certificate to our judges, medyo nagtatabulate pa tayo. Are we good to go ba to award the certificates? Certificates muna tayo since nagtatabulate ng mga judges natin. Let's start with, of course, all right. And of course, to join us here, I'd like to call in our mommy, the president of PBN Broadcasting Network Incorporated, Ma'am Brenda Bayona Locsin, to join us to award the certificate or plaque of appreciation. Kasama din natin our Executive Vice President, Sir Glenn Barcelon, also the concurrent station manager of DCGB AM, always number 1. And tawagin natin, baka andito na si Sir Henry Maceda, our Vice President for Programming ng PBN Broadcasting Network Incorporated, para i-award ang ating mga plaque of appreciation. Ayun, Sir Henry and Sir Glenn and Ma'am Brenda, our President. Ma'am Brenda, would you like to give message sa mga chikitings who've actually shown their talents sa atin in singing and dancing? Nako, ito si Ma'am Brenda, favorite niya, lalo mga chikiting. She has this soft spot para sa ating mga cute boys and girls. Ma'am Brenda?
Yes, okay. Actually, nagpara-istoryahan kami dyan, no? I felt, napahibi ako diit. Kasi, kaitong panahon, we had the best singers niya sa mga Siramalaga. During the DCGB, si Sarig niya may edad na, no, si DCGB Singing Contest. Naroon man nindo ito? Nakaroon sa magurang, yan na kami naman. We really develop mga talents. Kaya sabi ko, kaya ayam kami didingon yan to really see what we can do for the kids. Kasi hilingan nindo, there's so much presence, di ba? maybe a little voice na a little more projection, more practice. Siguro po, nagkapara-practice sa mga akin nindo. Sa CR na sana de. Tadeng venue. So we are, kaya kami digdi so that we can also produce a show for kids. We will call Okay Ka Kid. It will be a singing, it will be a dancing contest. Tani ang mga akit ta, di lang malulong sa gadgets. Mako, this is now a venue na makadidi sa mga aki, mag-show kang talent. Look at all. Magayon ang mga, wala kita masabi sa mga projection, di ba, judges? No? And a little of, sa mga voices, the more you practice, the more we do it, the more it will be perfect. And malay mo, you will really be a singing star sa Philippines or in the world. Kasi remember, all of this is ang gana will do in a Facebook, nga sa TikTok man kamo. So, sana, this is my thank you also for the parents na pigdaran na sa mga akining day. Actually, yung mga kids, mga singing pa ini. Kaya sabi ko, may agri aqua kami sa October. Sa ko si Teya, yung kami, mabarayli kami. Mga isay family to sa likod ng mga senior, mabarayli kami number. May si Teya choreograph sa muya. Anyway, sige, thank you very much. And thank you to the judges. Salamat din. Yeah, mga good singers po kamo. Thank you very much.
Palapakan po natin, Ma'am Brenda Bayona Locsin, our president of PBN Broadcasting Network Incorporated. And this time, speaking of judges, ma'am, let's give this plaque of appreciation, of course, hereby presented to the beautiful Mariel Rose Tejudo Reyes in sincere appreciation for sharing her time and expertise in music as one of the members of the Board of Judges for the OKFM Karaoke Singing Contest 2022 held on August 18 at Ayala Malls, Legazpi, given this 18th day of August 2022 at the ground floor of Ayala Malls, Legazpi, Albay, Philippines. Napalapakan ulit natin the only rose among thorns, si Miss Mariel, the quarter finalist ng It's Showtime. Oh, wow! Tawag ng tanghalan. Alright. Salamat, Miss Mariel, for your talent. And of course, good luck na lang sa result natin maya-maya. And of course, it was a hard-earned victory. Kung sino man ang tatanghaling champion. Maraming salamat, Miss Mariel. Diyos mabalos po. Alright. And of course, the same certificate or plaque of appreciation is given to our singing doctor. Nako, maraming salamat for his time and presence. Of course, from Pinas Lakas Vaccination din. What a great way to have him part. Dr. Michael Galan. Palapakan natin si Doc Michael Galan. Nako, ito talagang matagalan namin itong nire-request talaga si Doc. Talagang it's a dream come true, Doc. Please receive this plaque of appreciation from OKFM, DCGB, and PBN Broadcasting Network Incorporated family. Mabalos po, Doc. Okay, we hope to see you more of our activities from PBN. Salamat, Doc Mike. Sige pa. Alright. Doc Mike, just mabalas po. Mga doktor natin, mga towering. Kanina si Dr. Ernie Vera. Ngayon naman, towering din si Doc Mike. Mataas. Alright.
For inviting me po. Thank you so much for inviting me. And I would like to take this opportunity na i-promote, ikampanya po sa inyong lahat ang Pinas Lakas. Okay. Dati po, mas kilala natin itong res bakuna. Ngayon po, Pinas Lakas, mas lalong pinag-igting. Alam naman po nating lahat na ang COVID-19 pandemic is far from being over. Okay. That's the truth and that's a fact. Ang paraan lamang po para maagapan natin at maiwasan ang malalang COVID at ang pagkamatay dahil sa COVID ay walang iba kundi ang pagpapabakuna. We assure you that all currently available vaccines, aside from being very effective, they are very safe. Proven na po natin yan. And I would just like to inform everybody, no, na sa ngayon, okay lang ba? Okay lang po ba? Okay. Sabi ko nga, I would like to take this opportunity, no? Kasi sayang naman. Okay. Sa mga taga-DOH dyan, hello. Okay? So, ako po, part ako ng pinaslakas ng lokal na gobyerno ng Legazpi City. Okay. Pero ito pong gusto kong ipaalam sa inyo ay hindi lamang para sa mga Legazpeños, kundi para sa lahat po ng mga Albayanos or even sa mga taga-ibang probinsya. Napakahalaga po ng pagpapabakuna. Kasi nga po, nasabi ko nga po kanina, I mentioned earlier, na wala pong ibang paraan para maiwasan, maagapan ang malalang COVID-19 at ang pagkamatay dahil sa COVID-19, walang iba kundi ang pagpapabakuna po. Proven na po yan. At ulitin ko lang po, dun po sa mga may agam-agam, dun po sa mga may takot na mga magulang, huwag po kayong matakot. Sinisigurado po namin sa inyo, hindi po namin kayo ipapahamak. Ako po ay isang doktor. Ako po ay nasa almost 14th year na of my service sa gobyerno. Maniwala po kayo sa hindi, ang puso ko po para po at nasa kaligtasan ng lahat. So magkaisa po tayo, magtulong-tulong po tayo para hindi na bumalik yung mga naranasan nitong nakaraang 2 taon or mahigit 2 taon. Sunod-sunod na lockdowns, isolation, quarantine, walang katapusan. Kung ngayon po, tayo ay nagkakaroon na muli ng personal na interaction sa isa't isa, yan po ay dahil sa your guess is better than mine. Dahil po sa bakuna. Napansin ninyo, nung nag-umpisa ang bakuna, paunti-unti nagluwag na rin po ang ating gobyerno. Hindi lamang po gobyerno ng Pilipinas. Lahat ng mga gobyerno sa buong mundo. Paunti-unti nakakalabas na po ulit tayo, pinayagan na po ulit tayo ng ating gobyerno na makalabas. Bakit po? Kasi napatunayan na epektibo at ligtas ang bakuna. So inuulit ko, umaapila po ako sa inyong lahat. Magtulungan po tayo, tanggalin na po ang agam-agam, ang takot, itama ang mga maling impormasyon at paniniwala. Tayo po ay mag-look forward sa mas maayos at buhay na kinabukasan. Bakit po buhay? Kasi ayaw na natin madagdagan ang mga namatay pa. Sa Southeast Asia po, pangalawa ang Pilipinas sa maraming namatay. Ayaw na po natin madagdagan yon. So, di ko na masyado na yatang mahaba. No? Pero maraming salamat sa oportunidad na ito. Sa mga taga-DOH dyan, salamat sa support. Ako po talaga bilang isang gobyernong doktor, grabe po ang pagnanais ko kasama ng ating gobyerno, anuman ang inyong paniniwala, paniniwalang politika, isang tabi po natin yan. Ang importante po sa ngayon, kaligtasan, hindi lamang ng kabataan, ng mga elderlies, kundi ng lahat. So, tangkilikin po natin ang pagpapabakuna. Tangkilikin po natin ang Pinas Lakas para sa mas ligtas na Pilipinas. Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat at maraming salamat po sa oportunidad.
Maraming salamat, Doc Mike. Talagang nabuksan ang ating mga mata. Talagang really inspiring with your message. At magkita-kita po tayo bukas for the launching of Pinas Lakas alas 11 po ng umaga. We'll see you here sa second day ng Baby, Mama, and Family Fair. Doc Mike, be my doctor! Kasi kanina, be my lady. Alright. So ngayon naman, tawagin natin, another plaque of appreciation is given to our very own Mr. Roy Balingasa Jr., also known as Isko Driver. Alright. Okay, si Ma'am Rene magbibigay. Roy, of course, our singing DJ. Ito si Roy talaga, technical namin talaga to eh. So, kami din sa OKFM, talagang binibigyan din namin ng chance lahat ng aming team to, kanilang natatagong talent. Salamat, Roy Balingasa Jr. Alam na namin ang pangalan mo, Isko Driver. Alright. So maraming salamat po. Isang malakas na palakpakan ulit, Ayala Malls Legazpi! And of course, salamat Sir Glenn Barcelon, our Executive Vice President, and Sir Henry Maceda. Alam nyo ba, si Ma'am Brenda, product din to ng children's DCGV Children's Show natin. So ngayon, kakanta si Ma'am Brenda ng Celine Dion song. De, joke lang. Ito, favorite ni Ma'am Brenda. Gusto niyo marinig aming presidente mismo? Alright, ladies and gentlemen, here she is, Ma'am Brenda Bayona Locsin.
Nagagibo pa sa mga judges. Kasi ako, kan Children's Festival Show sa DCGB, nag-intraman ako, paano ko, nakapetikot ako kayto. Pagkanta ko, nawawa sa petikot ko. Kaya, sige man akong join. So, I will give you a sample also. Kasi, anyway, sige, makanta ako while nagagibo pa sa mga judges, no? Doc? Sige. Very short lang. You are the one who makes me happy when everything else turns to gray. Yours is the voice that wakes me morning and sends me out into the day. You are the crowd that sits quiet, listening to me when all the mad things that I make. You are one of the few things worth remembering. And since it's all true, how could anything mean more to me than you? Thank you, thank you.
Hello? Alright. Maraming salamat. Thank you so much, Ma'am Brenda. Alam niyo ba na may kaduet si Ma'am Brenda noong una? Ito, joke lang. si VP Henry. Ito, joke lang yun.
Si VP Henry naman.
Kaduet ni Ma'am Brenda yung dati.
Henry Maceda. Henry Maceda.
Noy, ngayon mag-uron kita taon-taon, ha?
Ang aming VP. Parang familiar yun, sir. Okay.
Okay.
Ano yan? Island in the Stream, sir. Okay, so, nagkantahan tayo ngayon naman. Gusto niyo bang sayawan ulit? Pero ngayon, gusto naman i-encourage, pati yung mga bata dito sa baba, dapat kasama din namin kayo. Kasi, may magli-lead sa atin for a dance number. Okay lang ba yun, mga kids? Game ba lahat? Pati sila DJ Toyang at Francia May. Sasabay tayo sa kanila, ha? So, tawagin natin for a dance production. Nonoy Palaboy?
Tawagin natin, Princess Althea Esquera Magallanes and the G-Styles Kids Clan.
Palabakan natin sila. Ate Thea is of course, ito discovery ni Ma'am Brenda to from ACI Family. Alright, so everybody, samahan nyo kami. Makikipagsayawan tayo with our little ones here on stage. Sino ba ang gusto mga little ones na gustong sumabay? Ito si Kuya, aba! Sasabay si Kuya. O yung mga sasabay na mga bata, bibigyan namin ng gift.
Yay!
Ayan ha.
Pwede sumabay lahat.
Bibigyan namin ng premyo. Lahat ng mga batang sasayaw or
Yes.
sasabay sa taas. Sino ba? Mga mommies, daddies, sino ba? As yung mga bibigyan namin ng giveaways from Unilove Philippines. Sino? Habang may pagkakataon pa. Come on. Alright, eto na ha. Ililid tayo ni Ate Althea or Princess Althea Esguerra Magallanes. Eto si Ate Althea. Ready na ba ang lahat?
Yeah!
Ready na, DJ. Let's play the music. Here we go. Eto na. Sabay-sabay tayo, ha? Susundan lang natin si Ate Althea, ha? Of course, kids or G-Styles kids class together with Ate Thea of ACI Family. Yun. Talagang ano, ha?
If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you feel it and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap.
Ay, ito may humahabol na little one natin, ha? Gusto namin lahat ng mga makukulit na bata. Samahan tayo dito Kahit galaw-galaw ng konti, okay lang yun. Basta kasama namin kayo on stage.
Yes, oo. Lahat ng mga kids. Ito yung mga nandito sa may side ko. Sugar, para may gustong sumali.
Sige, at
Tara!
Ate Toyang at Ate Branchmaid,
Tara.
alalayan natin sila. Baka nahihiya pa, no? Okay, ayun mga kids. Sila ate dito sa unahan. Ayaw nyo ba mag-join? Ha?
Nahihiya
Sila ate
ako.
dito, come on.
Nahihiya ako.
Yung mga nasa likod.
Nakakaya ako.
Alright, here we go. Sabay-sabay tayong lahat. Let's play the music. Ate Thea and G-Styles Kids Class. DJ, let's play the music. Here we go. Here we go. Sabay-sabay kay Ate Thea. Woo! Eto. Come on. Palakpak tayo. Here we go.
Ayan, may batang humabol. Dalawa.
Every day, like hello beautiful. 'Cause this world is so crazy and it can bring you down. You're too short, too fat, too skinny. Hey, well excuse me if I think that I'm pretty. So I don't care what you say, 'cause I'm original. Helen had to love me from my head down to my toes. Let 'em know if you with me. Hey, 'cause I finally found the answer is in me.
Oh, yeah? Eto na. Sabay-sabay! Oh, yeah?
Go to sleep at night with a smile on my face. 'Cause I know who I am and I can't ever be replaced. So go ahead, be proud, be different. Hey, that's what makes you one out of a million. Whoa, my mama, she'd say, don't you let 'em get you down. I can learn to love me. That's why I'm talking to the girl in the mirror. Whoa, like even if you're down, better get up. Whoa, 'cause every setback's just a setup. Whoa, for something just a little bit better. Oh, I'm talking to the girl in the mirror, 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 girl in the mirror.
Pati yung mga lola natin. Everybody, ACA family.
You did it. You took it to the top.
Here we
You
go.
gotta keep going with the grind. Don't stop.
Go.
See you on YouTube with all
See
of
it,
you.
see it.
Yeah, girl, I'm watching you. You got that swagger. You got that glow. So all the doubters, just let them know. Count on more as the day just goes. I love your style and your rhythm flow. Like, oh, ooh, yeah. Yeah, I'm like, oh, ooh, yeah. Put your hands in the air. You got that girl power, that girl power. Put your hands up with the girl power. I like it. I won't bite it. Keep it all going 'cause I'm watching. And you know it. Just keep
All right, tuloy-tuloy lang. Here we go. 3, 2.
Girl in the mirror. Hey, Samantha. Yeah. Is there anything that you would change about yourself?
I dance a lot, but I don't think I would change anything.
Oo nga.
No, I like who I am.
Oo, sabi ko nga.
Like you are too.
Here we go, here we go.
The girl in the mirror, 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 girl in the mirror.
Alright, as we promised, meron tayong game. Yeah!
Yeah! Here we go. From Toys R Us, maraming salamat to our little girls na dahil dyan, nag-join kayo, we have giveaways for you. Palabangan mo natin silang lahat!
Yay! Ang gagaling ng mga batang sumayaw.
Nako, it's an early gift for them, Nonoy Palaboy, na dahil pinakita nila yung talents nila. Salamat. Ito the G-Styles Kids Class together with Ate Thea of ACI Family. Maraming salamat. Sana nag-enjoy po kayong lahat. Diba parang children's party ngayong hapon na to. Nakakatuwa naman. Alright! Nag-enjoy ka ba doon, Nonoy Palaboy?
Oo naman.
Dapat nila mo si
Hiningal
at saka
ako.
si Benz.
Hiningal ako.
Nanood ka lang, hiningal ka.
Sumayaw ko sa likod.
Sumayo ka. Good for you. Parang hindi mo napigil yung sarili mo kanina, Nonoy Palaboy. Ah.
Oo nga, pero ayoko may nakakakita. Sumasayaw kasi ako secret lang.
Okay. Kung may kumakanta sa banyo, ikaw sumasayaw ng pasikreto lang.
Pasikreto lang.
Alright, so eto na. We now come to the most awaited part of the competition. The announcement of winners, mga ka-okay. Of course, the consolation or ang prizes po natin. Second runner-up will receive 5,000 pesos in cash.
First runner-up will receive 7,000 pesos.
And the first grand champion ng ating karaoke singing contest ay makakatanggap ng 10,000 pesos. Wow! And the bragging rights of being the champion of the singing competition. At hindi naman makakapasok sa ating top 3, we're gonna receive 500 pesos each. Ngayon naman, let's call on once again our President, Ma'am Brenda Bayona Luxin, together with our project head, DJ Toyang, and the rest of the judges, Isko driver, Miss Mariel, and Doc Mike, para i-award po ang ating third runner-up. All right. Ang ating second runner-up will be receiving 5,000 pesos at ang malaking cheque namin dito. Alright, Ms. Mariel and Doc Mike. Eto na, ladies and gentlemen, brace yourself because we are about to announce ang ating second runner-up. Walang iba kundi si ladies and gentlemen, our winner for the second runner-up from Tiwi Albay, Prince Kirby Lau!
Prince Kirby Lau,
Ang ating 8-year-old contestant from Tiwi Albay. Palapakan po natin.
yes,
Alright, congratulations. He will be receiving 5,000 pesos in cash, and decision of judges are final and irrevocable. All right. So ano to we have done this fair and square and transparent as we could have, of course, for the first ever karaoke singing competition. Congratulations, Prince Kirby Lau, our second runner-up, winning or taking home 5,000 pesos. Nonoy Palaboy, please do the honors.
here we go, Sugar. For our first runner-up, he or she will be receiving 7,000 pesos cash. And our first runner-up, none other than Jinri Monique Naga.
Ladies and gentlemen, our first runner-up, taking home 7,000 pesos from Kamalig Albay, Jinri Monique Naga. Congratulations. Nosi Balasi. Salamat, Jinri from Kamalig Albay. Congratulations for winning or for being our first runner-up. At eto na, we're about to announce the grand champion.
Heto na! By the way, Sugar, si Jinri is only 8 years old.
Wow, one of the youngest contestants natin for the karaoke. Whatever the result may be, congratulations po sa lahat ng mga nag-join this is not the end, but it's the beginning. And of course, we highly support your talent and singing. Tuloy-tuloy lang po. And of course, ang hindi man po ma-announce, we're gonna receive 500 pesos in cash. And this time, ladies and gentlemen, sino ba sa tingin ninyo ang uuwing grand champion for the Karaoke's Ayala Malls Legazpi? Contestant number? Eto na, Nonoy Palaboy. Ang ating grand champion, walang iba kundi si... Tomorrow will be the launching of Pinas Lakas. So magkita-kita po tayo. Okay, relax lang. Okay, as invited ng ating mga doctors from Department of Health, Pinas Lakas launching. Woohoo! Inabangan po ninyo the replays over DCGB from 1 till 3 ng ating mga talks. Ito na, seryoso na to. Our first ever grand champion of the Karaoke's Singing Contest for the third Baby, Mama, and Family Fair goes to... Walang iba kundi si Miss Shine Kimberly Lau!
Congratulations!
Congratulations! Our first ever grand champion ng Karaoke's Singing Competition. Isang himala! Di ba? Sinira kayo.
Makakatanggap din si Miss or si Shine Kimberly Lau ng 10,000 pesos cash!
Palapahan po natin our grand champion. Also from Tiwi Albay. And of course, for the rest, maraming salamat pa rin po. You may receive your consolation prizes and gift packs from Ate DJ Toyang, our project head. Maraming salamat everybody to our judges, Dirk Mike, Miss Mariel. We'll see you sa inyong tapsilogan. And that's about it, ladies and gentlemen, for the first day of the Baby, Mama, and Family Fair. Maraming salamat for joining us for the opening day. Of course, salamat to Ma'am Pita Pacres in behalf of Mayor Geraldine Rosal. Ni-represent niya kaninang umaga, as well as Dr. Ernie Vera, our regional director from Department of Health, for gracing this occasion. To Father Jonathan Calleja for joining us for the blessing. Nonoy?
That's it. Inubos mo. But anyway, maraming salamat po. So, nandito po ang OKFM Baby, Mama, and Family Fair until Saturday.
Yun!
So, sana huwag tayo magsawa. Balik-balik po tayo. And every day, magkakaroon tayo ng mga talks. And marami pang mangyayari for our OKFM Baby, Mama, and Family Fair.
And of course, salamat sa G-Styles Dance Company for guiding yung mga kids natin sa ating dance kanina. Ito, okay, anybody from Miss G-Styles Dance Company? Miss Pau, please receive this token of appreciation para sa ating G-Styles Dance Company and the rest of the kids in Atitea of ACI family. So, this has been your host, Mark Anthony A. Dinglasan, a.k.a. Sugar Azucar.
And Nonoy Palaboy. Ayan, papasok si ate from G-Styles. Anyone from G-Styles? Alright.
ACI family, salamat po for joining us. Mabalos po, Magallanes family, kina Lolo, Lola, and the rest of the ACI. Kina Madi-Padi. Mga sisters ni Mom Brenda as well. Salamat, G-Styles. Nako, next, abangan niyo po ang ating next summer class, ate. Okay, ha? Salamat.
Mag-e-enroll na ako sa summer class.
Sige, para abangan natin next year ang performance naman ni Nonoy Palaboy.
Joke lang. Okay, sige. Let's go.
Maraming salamat, everybody. We'll see you again tomorrow. But anyways, bukas na po tayo until 8 p.m. I think, or 7 p.m. here at Ayala Malls Legazpi. So please enjoy the booths that we have, products available for the third Baby Mama and Family Fair. Once again, ako po naman ang inyong DJ Mahamis na kontra diabetes, sugar, azúcar.
Ako naman po ang palaboy na good boy, Nonoy Palaboy.
At kami po ang 97.1 OKFM.
Gusto ko,
Okay ka. Just mabalas po. See you tomorrow. All right. Woohoo!
Ang gusto ko.
Sweet dreams are made of these. Who am I to disagree? I travel the world and the seven seas.
In celebration of the National Breastfeeding Awareness Month, 97.1 KFM Legazpi organize the third Baby, Mama, and Family Fair. This event aims to give tribute and importance to Bicolano mothers and will serve as an avenue for them to express and get to know the ideal motherhood. The third Baby, Mama, and Family Fair is also conducted to express our support with DOH CHD Bicol's advocacy on its COVID-19 vaccination program, especially for our kids. This event will also provide an opportunity for national and local exhibitors to showcase their products that would benefit the Bicolano families, especially mothers and children. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the third Baby, Mama, and Family Fair, August 18 to 20, 2022. In celebration of the National Breastfeeding Awareness Month, 97.1 KFM Legazpi organize the third Baby, Mama, and Family Fair. This event aims to give tribute and importance to Bicolano mothers and will serve as an avenue for them to express and get to know the ideal motherhood. The third Baby, Mama, and Family Fair is also conducted to express our support with DOH CHD Bicol's advocacy on its COVID-19 vaccination program, especially for our kids. This event will also provide an opportunity for national and local exhibitors to showcase their products that would benefit the Bicolano families, especially mothers and children. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the third Baby, Mama, and Family Fair, August 18 to 20, 2022. In celebration of the National Breastfeeding Awareness Month, 97.1 KFM Legazpi organize the third Baby, Mama, and Family Fair.